I came up with the idea about 5 years ago of doing a course that I called Photography in the Community, with the general idea that I wanted students to get off campus and into the Houston community in as many different and interesting ways as they could. I wanted to involve bookmaking in a way. What I do as a photographer mostly is make books. I do photographs and write things and bring the words and the pictures together in a book. That's what I do.
She's separated this into 5 different categories. So she has home, family, friends, school, and nature. And so with that, she's kind of created a book that has different chapters. And so what we're kind of doing right now is we're kind of making statements for each of the chapters just so we can summarize the book and the photos and can mean what she wants them to mean as people flip through them. I think it kind of shows me how every single person has a different lens in the way that they view this world. When I look at this picture, for example, I just see like a pretty sunset or a sun setting in a pretty neighborhood, but someone was able to see her family.
I love the university community, but the ideal thing for me is having a foot in this world and a foot in the community in all of its great variety and possibility. To be on campus is wonderful. To be on campus and off at the same time and being able to make those worlds mingle and cross-pollinate and play with each other, that's what's really exciting to me. Leading me off campus and leading my students off campus into a community and getting to know it and getting to serve it. That's the most exciting thing about the course.